Bata, ilang taon ka na?
Ah,
Ilang taon ka na?
apat.
Apat.
Hindi kita kilala.
Kawawa ng mga bata. Madala natin yun.
Gitara na lang, gitara.
Ba't yung ka ba bata?
Baka mga tawag ka. Papadala niyo.
Taga saan ka bata? Basilan, ang layo. Paano kayo napunta rito?
Makatagal ko.
Sinakay kayo ng... Hindi ka to?
Organized begging is the most visible form of human trafficking. It is seen in the streets, and yet all or most member states of the United Nations don't have sufficient laws that would curtail or ban such organized begging. It's time for all the righteous people of the world to advocate the banning of organized begging. All member states of the UN should have sufficient laws against organized begging. Ban organized begging now.